Good morning class. In the last lecture we are studying very important topic, that is a Cramer's rule. Now we are studying matrices, means matrix. Let's start. Definition of matrix. A arrangement of mn number in a m row and n columns enclosed by square bracket, means this bracket is called as matrix of order m cross n. This is arrangement in mn number. Here m is row and n is column, and enclosed by square bracket means this bracket is called as matrix. A matrix is generally denoted by a single capital letter, that is capital A, capital B, capital C and another, and each entry is called as element, denoted by corresponding small letter like a Aij, Bij up to ... And this Aij is the element in the ith row and jth column, means this I is a ith row and j is jth column. Now there are three types of matrix. First type is triangular matrix. In this triangular matrix, m does not equal to n, means m not equal to n. Matrix, in this matrix row and column does not equal. Matrix with unequal number of a row and columns are called as rectangular. In this example, here A is a matrix 2, 5, 7, -1, 2, 4. So we know that this is a row, these two are row and these are columns. So here unequal row and column. So here 2 rows and 3 column. So this is our unequal. So this called as, this is a triangular matrix. Now another example is B is equal to 2, -1, 4, 9, 5, 7. So same here. Here is 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3 rows and 2 columns. So here also unequal rows and column. So this is also, this matrix is triangular matrix. Now row matrix. A matrix with one row is called as row matrix, means this is called as row matrix because here only one row and 1, 2, 3 columns. So this matrix is called as row matrix. Here also only one row, so 1 multiplied by 5 means this matrix 1 by 5 means 1 row and 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns. Now column matrix. A matrix with one column is called as column matrix. Here only one column but 2 rows. So this is called as column matrix. Only one column. Here also one column. So this matrix is called as column matrix. So 2 by 1, 3 multiplied by 1. And second type is square matrix. In this matrix m is equal to n, means column is equal to rows and row is equal to column, means जितने रो है उतने ही column रहेंगे. A matrix with equal number of row and column is called as square matrix. So example, 2 cross 2 means 2 column and 2 row. 3 cross 3 means 3 columns and 3 row. This matrix is called as square matrix. Now third, null matrix. In this matrix all elements are 0. All elements of value is 0, means these 4 are elements this value is 0, then this matrix is called as null matrix. So matrix having all elements equal to 0 is called as null matrix or 0 matrix. We can also call as a 0 matrix. So example, 0 is equal to 0, 1 by 1 means 1 row and 1 column. So null matrix of order 1 cross 1. So here 2 cross 2, all elements are 0. So this matrix is called as null matrix of order 2 cross 2. Here 2 rows and 4 columns. So here also all elements are 0. So null matrix of order 2 cross 4 means also called as 2 by 4 matrix. This is the null matrix. Now to study algebra of matrices. In this one, scalar multiplication. If A is any matrix and K is any scalar, if matrix A multiplied by scalar K, then every element A is multiplied by scalar K, means K multiplied by every element of matrix A. So here A is a matrix and K is a scalar, so K multiplied by A is equal to, this is K and this is a given matrix. So K multiplied by A 1 1, K multiplied by A 1 2, K multiplied by A 2 1, K multiplied by A 2 2. Example, here given matrix A and here K means scalar means 2. Here 2 is a scalar. So A2, 2A means 2 and this is a matrix. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by also 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by this 1, 2 multiplied by 2. So we get this answer. Now addition of matrices. अभी हमको matrices को ऐड करना है. Two or more matrix can be added if they have same order, otherwise they does not multiplication, does not addition, because addition is not possible, because they have both matrices they have same order, means 2 cross 2. So here also 2 cross 2, otherwise does not addition possible. So addition is not possible. So just take an example. So we can that addition A plus A, this is the A matrix and this is a B matrix. Here we taken 2 cross 2 matrix, here also 2 cross 2 matrix. So A plus B is equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, right here. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Now example, here matrix A is 2 3 4 7 and B is 1 3 4 6, 2 cross 2 matrix. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 7 plus 6. So giving 3, 6, 8 and 13. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Now subtraction of matrix. Here also same, subtraction of 2 or more matrix is possible if they are same order, otherwise not possible. Here also same, their order is same, 2 cross 2 या 3 cross 3 या 2 cross 4, but both of matrix order is same, then we can apply subtraction and addition, otherwise this is not possible. Just like A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. So giving these. So same as a addition. Now third is the equality of matrix. Two matrix A and B are said to be equal. Two matrix are equal, then we can show that A is equal to B. So A and B are equal. That matrix called as equality of matrix. Property of equality of matrix, that is first one is, if A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Similarity, because both are same, so A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Here A is equal to A, where A is any matrix, that is a reflectivity. And third one is, A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C, because A is equal to B, so B is equal to C. So this is possible. A is equal to C. So this is called as transitivity. Now we are solving some problems. Here given a matrix A and matrix B, both are in a 2 cross 2 order, and we want to find 3A minus 2B. So given A matrix and B matrix, 2 3 4 7 1 3 4 6, both A B are in a order of 2 cross 2. So we to find what is, find 3A minus 2B. So we write here 2A minus 3B. So 3, and what is the value of A? This 2, and what is the value of B? To write here matrix. Now we apply scalar multiplication. So 3 multiply by 4 elements, and here 2 multiply by these and these elements. So 3 multiply by 2, 3 multiply by 3, 3 multiply by 4, 3 multiply by 7, minus 2 multiply by 1, 2 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 4, and 2 multiply by 6. So give 6, 9, 12, 21, 2, 6, 8, 12. Now apply addition matrix, subtraction, sorry, because here have a subtraction, so we can subtract 6 minus 2, 9 minus 6, 12 minus 8, and 21 minus 12. So we get answer 4349. So 3A minus 2B is equal to 4349. Now second example, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, and in this example we find the matrix D by using this equation. We to find D, matrix D हमको ये इसमें find करना है. तो how can that possible? Given 2A minus 3B minus D is equal to C, putting the value of matrix, हमें ये दी है वैल्यू matrix A, matrix B and matrix C. So we put this value in this equation. So 2 matrix A, 3 matrix B, D as it is, because we want to find it, and this is C. So now multiplication. Now multiply by minus sign. So here minus, plus, plus and minus. So minus 2 plus 3 plus D and minus this matrix. Now these are minus, on this goes on that side, so take a plus sign, and this is plus on that goes that side, so they get minus sign. Now means D is equal to, this is plus, so 2 1 3 2 minus 1 2 0 4 0 3, and this is take a minus sign, so minus 3 1 0 0 1 2 0 1 0 3, and this minus is, this matrix is as it is. No, because this matrix is as it is. Now we can multiply these two, each element. 2 multiply by 1 3, 2 these 2 multiply by minus 1, 2 multiply by 2 0, these 2 multiply by 4 0, and 2 multiply by 3 also, and 3, these 3 element also multiply by all elements. Then we get this value. So now 2 minus 3 minus 2, then 6 minus 0 minus 2, then 4 minus 0 minus 2. So same as it is, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, 0, minus 0, minus 1, and same as it is, we taken this value, then gives matrix D. So D is minus 3, 5, 2, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 5. This is the value of matrix D. Now find A if 2A plus 3 giving this matrix 1, 3, 2, 5 is equal to 5, 7, 6, 3. In this we find a matrix A. So given 2A plus 3, 1, 3, 2, 5 is equal to 5, 7, 6, 3. Now this is a here plus on goes that side, so this is minus that side, so minus, then 5, 7, 6, 3 minus 3, 1, 3, 2, 5, and then we apply scalar multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 2, 3 multiplied by 5, so giving 3, 9, 6, 15. Then we subtract 5 minus 3, 7 minus 9, 6 minus 6 and 3 minus 15. So 2 minus 2, 0, 12. Then these 2 here multiply by A, then goes that side, so 1 upon 2 means divide this matrix. So scalar again scalar multiplication, so 1 minus 1 and here 2, so 2, 6 is the 12, so minus 6. So this is the value of A. Now find the value of x and y satisfying the following equation. We using this equation and finding value of x and y. Now solve. Given matrix equation is we giving this, so we can write as it is. Now addition we apply 1 plus 3, x plus 1, 0 plus 2, y plus 4, 2 plus 3, 4 plus minus 2. So now value is 4, x plus 1, 2, x, y plus 4, 5 and 2. This is a 2 cross 3 matrix, means 2 row and 3 columns. So here also is equal to 4 2 2 6 5 2. This is also 3 cross 2 cross 3 matrix. Now by equality of matrix we have this x plus 1 is equal to 2 and y plus 4 is equal to 6 by using equality of matrix. X plus 1 is equal to 2 and y plus 4 is equal to 6, means this is position in first row of second column, here also first row of second column, here second row of first column, here second row of first column. So now here x is equal to 2 minus 1, so x is equal to 1, and y is equal to plus 4 and goes that side, so minus 4, so y is equal to 6 minus 4, so y is equal to 2, means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. We can find the value of x and y. Now multiplication of matrices. let A is equal to small aij m cross n and B is equal to b jk n multiplied by p b2 matrix such that the number of a column in A equal to the number of row in B. Means this matrix we taken column means n, and here also in this other matrix taken column row that is equal. So तभी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो नहीं कर सकते. Just example, here 2 cross 2 matrix. In the first matrix column is 2 and second matrix row is 2, then this is possible to matrix multiplication. So how can that possible matrix multiplication? How to solve matrix? A1 multiply by, so let's see carefully. This first row means this we taken this row and this column. एरो को देखो, इधर एरो कैसा है, इधर जा रहा है, मतलब हमको ऐसा बढ़ना है. सो फर्स्ट A11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय B11 प्लस A12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय B21. एरो कैसा है, इधर. सो A11 प्लस B11, देन second element A12 multiply by B21. This is addition. Now we take first row and second element of second column. Now first row and second column. So A11 multiply by B12 right here, then A12 multiply by A22 right plus here, means this multiply by this plus this multiply by this, means A11 multiply by B12 plus A12 multiply by B22. Now another is, now next we taken second row, so we can write second row. So this and first column. Now we taken second row and first column, this and this. So A21 multiply by B11 plus A22 multiply by B21 right here. Then taken another, also taken second row and second column. A21 multiply by B12 plus A22 multiply by B22 right here. So we can solve this, so giving 2 cross 2 matrix. This we can solve this, so given one element, and this solve we can get a one element. This is also give one element, and this is also give one element. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now in an example, A is a 3 cross 2 matrix and B is a 2 cross 3 matrix. Here first matrix taken column 1 and 2, so 2 and here row is 2, so that is a possible for multiplication, otherwise not possible. So 1 multiply by 3 plus minus 3 multiply by 1. Now we taken first row and second column, so 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 3 multiplied by 2 here. Then first row and third column, 1 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 0 right here. Now we taken second row first column, 0 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 1 here. Now next one is we taken second row and second column, 0 multiplied by minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2, and then third column we take a third column, second row and third column, so 0 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 0 we taken it at it. Then last one we take a third row and first column, so 4 multiplied by 3 and minus 1 multiplied by 1, that is, and first row and second column, 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 2, and take a addition. Now here third row and third column, 4 multiplied by 4 plus minus 1 multiplied by 0, so giving these. Now multiply and addition, evaluate this equation. So here 3 plus minus 3, here value is minus 1, here value is minus 6, 4, 0, here 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 0, because 0 multiplied by any number is 0, so 12, here minus 1, here value is minus 4, then minus 2, 16 and 0, we can write in this form. Now we addition, so we give AB is equal to, means A multiplied by B is equal to 0, minus 7, 4, 2, 4, 0, 11, minus 6 and 16. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now if A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3 minus 2, minus 4, 4, minus 3, and find A square, means A multiplied by A. A square means A dot A means A multiplied by A is equal to A square. So given A matrix, now A square is equal to A cross A, so here also value A and here also matrix value A. Now we take first row and first column, so 2 multiplied by 2, minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, 1 multiplied by 4. Now we taken second row and first column. Why? Because we first write column, first we write 3 column, so we take a first column. हमको ये पहले कॉलम लिखना है इधर का, इसलिए हम कॉलम को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे और रो को एक्सचेंज करेंगे, पहले ये लेंगे बाद में ये बाद में ये. इधर हमने क्या किया था कि इधर हमने रो को कांस्टेंट रखा था, इसलिए पहले इधर लिखा बाद में इधर लिखा. अब हम क्या करेंगे, पहले कॉलम को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे और रो को चेंज करेंगे, पहले ये लेंगे बाद में ये लेंगे. सो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. So in this way, now we take second row and first column. So minus 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2 multiplied by minus 4. Now here we taken again first column and third row. So minus 4 multiplied by 2, minus 2 multiplied by 4, minus 4 multiplied by 3. Now second we taken second column, and first row. So 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 1 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 4. Now we can solve as it is. Now then we taken these, now then these and multiply by these, then this multiply by these, then third one is means this. We taken third column first row, then this third column second row, then third column third row. We will giving these values. Now we can multiply and add. So 4 plus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 2 minus 3, minus 4 minus 6 plus 8, 2 plus 9 minus 8, minus 2 minus 6 plus 6 minus 8 plus 12, 4 plus 12 minus 12, minus 4 minus 8 and plus 9. This is the value of these. Now we can add and subtract, so giving the value of a square. 2 minus 1 1, minus 2 3, minus 2 minus 4 4, minus 3. This is the value of a square. If a 2 5 1 3 and b is a 3 minus 5 minus 1 2, show that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. I means identity. Identity means here 2 cross 2, so identity means 1 0 0 1. That is this is a identity matrix. So this is the identity matrix. Given that A and B are given 2 cross matrix, 2 cross 2, so A multiplied by B, so we can take first this row and this column. So 2 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by minus 1, then first row and second column. So 2 multiplied by minus 5, 5 multiplied by 2, then second row and first column. So 1 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by minus 1. Now we taken first row and second column. So 1 multiplied by minus 5, 3 multiplied by 2. We give this equation. Then 6 minus 5, 10 minus 10 plus 10, 3 minus 3, 5, minus 5 plus 6. So 1 0 0 1. So this is the identity matrix. So is equal to I. So A multiplied by B is equal to I. But we want to prove A is equal to B and B is equal to A, that is equal to I. So now we take B multiplied by A. So B is a 3 minus 5 minus 1 2, 2 5 1 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 minus 5 multiplied by 1. Then also again take first row and second column. 3 multiplied by 5 minus 5 multiplied by 3. Now second row and first column. So 2 minus 1 multiplied by 2, 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Now first row and second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 3. So now we can solve this. So giving 6 minus 5, 15 minus 15, minus 2 plus 2, minus 5 plus 6. So that is a 1 0 0 1. This is a identity matrix I. So BA is equal to I. Means AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Hence prove. हमने ये prove कर दिया. Now for homework for you, this is in this equation we can find the value of 3a plus y, and in second example also 3a minus 4b, and third example also find 2a minus 3b. Now fourth example we can find the value of matrix X. हमको इस फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल में मैट्रिक्स फाइंड करना है X. And fifth example finding X and Y, value of X and Y. एंड 6 एग्जाम्पल वेरीफाई करना है a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए. वेरीफाई इट राइट और रॉन्ग. ये a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए है या नहीं है. एंड अनदर इज identity of 3 cross 3 matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and identity matrix 2 cross 2 is 1 0 and 0 1. ये ध्यान में रखो. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. नाउ दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. एंड 7-1 is a show that A square is a null matrix. Null matrix means all elements are 0. So A cross A means A square is equal to A multiplied by A. So this value is 0. हमको ये show करना है. And also find A square minus 3i. Here we take identity matrix 3 cross 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here we take identity matrix, that is, and 9th one is find AB, means A multiplied by B. Now this homework for you to solve and practice it. In our next lecture we can study transposition, means transpose of matrix.